Give it a second, everybody, give it a second. Sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check, sound check. YouTube, yes. Wow. There is a propaganda. Yeah, I'm seeing propaganda too. 1-0. Alright everybody, good morning, good evening, good afternoon, students and traders and analysts. This is the boss. Not really, but alright. How is everybody? Happy Monday to you. Today it's Monday, 15th of January, right? And remember everybody, this is the Forex trading course 101, where the goal is to bring you from zero to a millionaire trader in 3 years, right? Hello Clara, how are you? Clara, were you in the session this morning? Hedge cap. Were you in the session, Clara, this morning? We are talking about those ones. No. Alright everybody, you're going to graduate from this course when number 1 you have your chart set up and ready for trading, number 2 you have your strategy in place, you understand why you win, why you lose, and number 3 you have a complete understanding on how this market works so you can analyze the market and make an educated prediction. Very good. So today we're going to talk about trading. We have support, resistance and pivot points in multiple time frames. Now I went to work. Alright. Remember, if your way is not working, why don't you try mine, right? And there is disclaimer everybody, this stream is not trading or investment advice. We are here to learn, and for questions and homeworks you have my Gmail and you have Skype too. So from the manual we have support, resistance, pivot points in multiple time frames. Sideways channel, alright, moving forward, how to get sideways channel inside a trend. Next, support, resistance, channel again. Learn the emotional skill, alright. Supporting, alright, there you go. So, from the manual, learn the emotional skill that you are not going to win every single time. But yes, you are going to win 7-8 times out of 10 if you have a sound strategy and if you obey the rules. So in this example, if you study the chart, you can see that you would win 3-4 times trading consolidation and you would lose 1 when the market gets out of the range. You must understand that this is nothing new. We already learned that consolidations have an end sooner or later, and that 7 times out of the consolidation is going to push in the direction of the greatest force. But these times it didn't. So when you do everything right, according to the rules and concept, and you still lose, that's okay. That's okay. You must make it okay. Learn this. If you don't make the losers in the probability game, okay, you are never going to make it. Why not? Because you are going to put too much emotional suffering, emotional importance on the losers. You will have false expectations and you will start chasing the money. You will have false expectations and you will start chasing the money. When in reality this business has nothing to do with money. Yes, it has. No, it does not. Money, it's a consequence. Forex course 202. Money is a consequence of a well-executed strategy with an edge, not the reason to enter a trade. I don't agree with you. It's all good. Call me back in 2 years, 3 years. Money is a consequence of a well-executed strategy. If you have a strategy with an edge, and if you are trading well, then money is going to come. Otherwise, So you will learn more about the business in the Forex course too. Through the Advanced Institutional Trader program, you will learn that money, I just said it. You will learn that money is a consequence of a well-executed strategy that has an edge, not the reason to enter the market. This is the mindset, everybody. Keep repeating yourself. If you're a beginner trader, read this sentence every day for 90 days. And of course, 90% of you are not going to do this. I know it already. And this is a huge difference in understanding between a beginner trader that is living and driving on a trade, living and dying, on a trade by trade basis, and a professional that understands that it's a numbers game. Wow. How do you like this introduction today? This is in the manual, everybody. Makes sense? It's in the manual. If you didn't receive the free manual, ask for it. Send me an email to the Gmail. It's for free. Doesn't cost you a cent. All right? Pushing forward, support, resistance, and pivot points in multiple time frame. All right? Monthly, weekly, daily. That you are long or short. Where is the best probability? Be aware. The question is not if market is in an up structure or down structure, or up market wave or down market wave. The question is what is the trend. It means what is the shortened trend doing, the blue line. Alright. So how is the trend on all 4 time frames, monthly, down? Okay, so this from the example. Probability, shortened trend. Decision, long, daily control, the 2 hour. This lesson is about probability. How is the market structure? Alright, alright, everybody, type in the chat a currency pair. We are going to check a live chart, alright? We are not going to see lines and theory. Let's do this on a live chart. There is no right or wrong. Type in the chat a currency pair, so we can check the live chart. And please don't say euro dollar, please God. You have 27 currency pairs, come on. Please don't ask for euro dollar again. I'm going to wait for YouTubers. I have a 20-second delay on YouTube. I'm going to wait for the YouTubers. Hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Shola, hedge fund trader Ernesto, hedge fund trader Singh, hedge fund trader 4K, hedge fund trader Julius, hedge fund trader Shaft. Gold, please. I need to ask God, please don't say euro, don't say gold. What's about gold, everybody? Don't trade gold. Forex market, please. Nothing wrong with gold, but we're talking about the Forex market, alright? We need currencies. And everybody, if you want to join the trading sessions, you must have a Darwin X0 account with my code, right? More in the end, alright? We have a... Everybody listen to me. Everybody listen to me. You are losing money, alright? Fair enough? Meet you back in time. Because you are not skilled at anything. Get skilled on an asset class. Alright? I know 99% of teachers are going to tell you that you can trade everything and anything, and you can trade on the 1 minute chart and 5 minute chart and 50 minute chart and the daily chart and the weekly chart, and it doesn't matter what. It does not work. It's not true. Get skilled on one asset class. Forex, it's easy. Once you get it, of course. Get skilled on one. Don't you... Now, today I'm going to trade Bitcoin, and tomorrow it's going to be gold, and today it's euro dollar. You are not a hedge fund. No, I'm not arrogant. I'm trying to help you. it doesn't work. Make sense? You cannot trade everything and you cannot trade every time frame. Why not? Because you don't have the right personality. Does this make sense? 99% of TikTokers, YouTubers, they have no clue what they're doing. Of course, they're showing you, just the winners and how you can trade from the 5-minute chart from the. It's all BS. You are going to waste time and money, everybody. And I know what I'm talking about. I tried all of this that you are trying right now. And I'm telling you, it doesn't work. Institutional traders, we follow the formula. Make sense? Making money, it's a formula. It's not a secret. It's not a fantasy. It's a formula. So unless you start being coachable and start being stubborn, you are not going to follow the formula. Make sense? I'm not arrogant. I'm trying to help you. You know, I'm talking to you that you've been trying for 3 years, 4 years, 5 years plus, and you are not consistently profitable. Boss, what's the formula? Be or turn or become a good analyst first on the asset class that you are going to choose. If it's crypto, let's be crypto. I don't care if it's raw materials, copper, gold, whatever, let be raw material. If it's the stock market, I don't care, let it be the stock market. If it's the Forex market, alright. Make sense, everybody? This is part of the formula. Give me a second. Alright? If you are a beginner trader, I'm going to quiet this one. Everybody, if you're a beginner trader, prove yourself, that you know what you're doing, that you are skilled. Make sense? That's the formula. Alright? You don't need to be perfect, you are going to have a winning month and then you have a losing month, and winner, prove yourself that you are consistent what you are doing. Now we have a new asset manager, it's called Darwin X0. You can prove to yourself and they're going to give you a 25,000 euros live account. Make sense? But it's a different mindset. When you put a few $100 or $1,000 and you go straight to the charts, and you trade Bitcoin and you trade gold, you are not following the formula. Does this make sense? I'm not going to ask you, do you agree with me? Type in the chat, does this make sense? Alright? Forex Course 101, you are learning all about the market. Alright? And in the advanced course, Forex Course 202, we are doing those predictions. See, this is you as an analyst. Make sense? This is you as an analyst, and you must be at least, this is mine, alright? Everybody has its own analysis, but this is the prediction on how the market is going to go, or should you trade long or short based on the strategy that you are trading. Clara says yes, it makes sense. So you don't need to be perfect, but you must be week over week over week. You must be at least 60% winner. Not as a trader, as an analyst on the direction. Again, not going to just, do you agree with me? Does this make sense to you? Alright? So this is AUD right? This is AUD and this is the market, just an example, right? This is the market. Alright? So Sunday comes and I said, alright, me as an analyst, I'm predicting that the market is going to go up. Just an example. You know, and I have my strategy, Warren Buffett strategy, Donald Trump strategy, you know, Jimmy Limmy strategy, or the shake it rate strategy, and I'm going to make money because I predicted that for this week or the next week, whatever, the market is going to go up. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, the market went down. Can you, listen to me everybody, this is the question. Can you make money with any strategy that has an edge? Listen up, listen up, listen up, listen up, focus. Think with me. Can you make money with any strategy that has an edge? Any strategy that is time tested and proven for decades? Can you make money with a strategy that has an edge when you are wrong on the direction? Type in the chat, YouTubers, yes or no. We are all the same. Can you and me make money every single week or every month consistently? We have JP Morgan Chase strategy, Citibank strategy, Dukascope investment bank strategy, or Mike the FX boss strategy, which has an edge. Can I make money with his strategy when I'm predicting that the market is going to go up, but when the market opens Monday morning or Sunday night, for me that it's situated in Brazil, the market goes down? Can I make money? Boss, I don't know. Think. Think. You are trying to buy something that is going down, or vice versa too. Vice versa too. You are trying to, you say, alright, we are here. Just an example, we are here. And because it's a downtrend, I'm predicting as an analyst that this market is going to go down. So mentally and strategy-wise, I'm prepared to short the market. But the market goes up from Monday to Friday. Can I short something that is going to go up? Talk to me, Dukascope clients, come on. Can I make money with any strategy when I'm wrong as an analyst on direction? What's the answer? What's the answer? I know I'm hurting some of you, but I'm trying to help you. This is the truth. Oh, I'm going to follow shaky trades because he gives the strategy with 90% probability rate. Doesn't work. Jared, applause to Jared everybody. No, it's impossible. It's impossible everybody, makes sense? Boss, but I can buy. No, you cannot buy. Why not? Because your strategy, example, your strategy is telling you to short or go long or whatever, so trade the trend. Alright? You have a downtrend, you know, relevant highs and lows. Alright? So your strategy, example, is telling you, oh, trade the trend. And you are here. Remember, this is Monday morning, and you say, alright, I'm going to short this sucker, I'm going to sell. And then Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Make sense, everybody? Jared, congratulations to you. You are smart. Alright everybody, so before I'm asking you again, tell me a currency pair to do the support, resistance and pivot points in multiple time frame trading. Learn the formula, alright? Get skilled, decide what is going to be the market, but choose one market, or crypto, or stocks, or Forex, whatever, and get skilled. This is part of the formula. And don't fall prey to Jones and James on TikTok and telling you, oh, you are trading, we are going to trade Bitcoin, and then we're going to trade stocks, and then we're going to trade. You are not a hedge fund. Make sense? It doesn't work. Doesn't work, doesn't work, doesn't work. Time frames too. Time frames too. Who in Alright, let's have some fun. Alright? Let's have some fun. I'm going to tell you something and then I'm going to ask you what makes sense to you. Who in here on Dukascope Academy right now believes that you can trade any time frame consistently? Type in the chat me. Alright, I'm going to tell you just this secret, part of the secret sauce, and then we're going to move to class. Who in here believes that you can be consistently profitable on all time frames? That you can be a day trader and a swing trader and a scalper in one person? You have YouTubers, TikTokers doing this BS. They are showing you the 5-minute chart and they're going on the daily scalp and they're going 4-hour chart and they go to the weekly scalp and they go on the 1-hour chart. Is anybody here who believes that? Don't be shy, we're all the same, you know. You are learning like me 20 years ago. You believe stupid things, you don't know what is what, you know. You are researching what is true, what's not. But there is something called common sense. Who in here believes that you can trade all the time frames? It doesn't matter. 15-minute chart. No, it does not work. It doesn't work. Don't be shy, we're all the same. This is where we learn, you know. I'm going to go on the website and I'm going to buy a robot or an expert advisor or a system or a strategy that works on the 15-minute chart. And I'm going to buy it. And I'm going to start using it and trade it, and no success. I'm going to have the occasional winner, but most likely I'm going to burn the account. Did this happen to anybody online? Happens to everybody. Me too, back in time, don't worry. Alright, in the meantime, type in the chat a currency pair, everybody, that we do. How the question is going to be how to trade with support, resistance and pivot point. And please God, don't say euro dollar and don't say Bitcoin and don't say gold. Currency pair. There are some great opportunities this week, sure. Now I'm going to wait for the YouTubers. Hedge fund trader Jared, hedge fund trader Chef, hedge fund trader Clara. Type in chat a currency pair, please. Thank you very much. Alright everybody, GBP JPY. Let's open GBP JPY. Give it a second. Give it a second, give it a second, give it a second. Jared, if you don't have the manual, please send me an email, alright? Alright everybody, GBP JPY. What do you want? 4-hour chart, 1-hour chart, 2-hour chart? Which one do you prefer? I'm going to make Fibonacci transparent, alright? So not to bother. Alright? Yeah, this is GBP JPY 4-hour chart. How, everybody, how would you trade this one? Would you buy? Would you sell? Is now the right time to buy? Is now the right time to sell? There is no right or wrong. Swing traders are going to have a little bit different way to go compared to day traders. Alright, so this is the one trend line, and this is going to be the second trend line. Give me a second, everybody. One trend line and up to here maybe, right? Alright. 4 hour, hedge fund trader Dennis and hedge fund trader Jared and hedge fund trader Clara and the shaft. How would you trade this one? And remember, we are focusing on pivot point in here, right? And pivot point up in here. Type in the chat I would buy, type in the chat I would sell. And where would you put your stop loss, and where would you put your take profit? So I'm going to invisible maybe. Oh right, invisible. Wow, we have invisible too. Transparency, invisible. All right, just colors. Transparency, invisible. Who in here wants to buy? Who in here wants to sell? So looks like the market is respecting this area, right? We have the market hit, this one hit the area of the pivot point, but otherwise here the market hit this level once, 2 times, 3 times, right? And finally now the 4th time. No, there is no right or wrong. Alright? Yeah, exactly. Some people get scared at pivot point, right? Is anybody or did anybody short GBP JPY up in here? Would you buy, would you sell? There is no right or wrong. Shorting, you can short a retracement, makes sense? So this is the 4-hour chart. A swing trader example is going to take advantage. A swing trader is going to take advantage from here to here. Example, right? Example, and there you go. A skilled day trader is going to take advantage in here too. So a skilled day trader can short the retracement on the 15-minute chart, 5-minute chart, maybe less on the 30-minute chart, when the swing trader is going to take advantage of the swings, hence the word swing trader. No, this is not a strategy, those are examples. I'm in short position. Alright, Dennis, on what time frame? On what time frame? What time? No, there is no right or wrong. Don't be shy, everybody, we're here to learn. Alright? So from the 4-hour time frame, just maybe, being short, maybe Elvis has left the building already. The opportunity to go short on the 4-hour time frame was here. Agreed, everybody? And see how the market works. The market went down, 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 hit the pivot point area, and reaction back up. Everybody, there is no right or wrong, but we are trying to learn probabilities, right? Talking about probabilities, and based on what you see, what do you think? It would be better to go long, talking about direction, or it would be better to go short? On the 4 hour, right? So, what pattern are you shorting? See, everybody, consolidation ended in here, right? You could be playing around with consolidation, but consolidation it's over. Agreed, everybody? Type in the chat, yes, I agree, consolidation is over, or type in chat, no, I don't agree, no. So talking about the 4 hour time frame, Dennis, why are you shorting an uptrend? That's the question. Talk to me, everybody. Talking about probabilities, do you see this market going up? And you should logically buy or trying to buy, or do you see this market going down? Therefore, logically, you should short. What do you think? Hedge fund trader Clara, hedge fund trader Jared, hedge fund trader the Shaft. How would you trade this one? Or what do you think? There is no right or wrong. We're here to learn. Do you believe that? And hedge fund trader Dennis, where is your stop loss to short the market? Everybody, what do you think? Is Dennis shorting a downtrend or down market wave or down, or is Dennis shorting what? As a matter of fact, this is the question, hedge fund trader Dennis, what are you shorting? Scalpers can short candlestick formations, sure, but not on the 4 hour chart. Not on the, there is no such, you are going to see people talking, I mean, not arrogant, right? I'm going to do a daily scalp. There is no such thing as a daily scalp. You know? And if you don't believe me, go talk to artificial intelligence and ask ChatGPT or what is the name, you know, what is scalping, or how can you define scalping strategy or whatever. RSI is almost up, 8-year it's red. For buy, EMEA is a distance. The Shaft, you are in a beginner course, my friend, and we are far, far, far away from indicators. But anyway, thank you. RSI is almost up, 8-year it's buy, EMEA it's a distance. Right, everybody? The Shaft, how many years are you trying to make money? I have a good news for you and a bad news for you. Structure is bullish on the 4 hours, says Jared. Yes, I agree with you. As a matter of fact, no, I'm not going to. I'm the last one to talk. So Dennis, see, hedge fund Shaft and hedge fund Jared are telling you, well, maybe we should buy on the 4 hour chart. Maybe, just maybe, we should go long. Maybe we should buy. Now, the 4 hour chart. Everybody, before you enter the 4 hour chart, what is the very next relevant time frame to check. Not to check right or wrong, to check the probabilities. The daily, very good. So this is the 4-hour chart. Let's go on the daily, everybody. Right, now out this one, out this one, out, 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 out. What can you see from the daily? And again, I'm going to get out of the Fibonacci's. Fibonacci's are coming, yes sir, but in about 1 month, right? Yes, we're going to learn Fibonacci's. So this is the daily chart. If you zoom out, everybody, right? Zoom out and maybe if you want another trend line, right? So is the market making higher highs, higher lows, or is the market making lower lows, lower highs? Still, if we zoom in, daily chart, alright, so this is the level that the market retested a few times, and now we are with, yes, fair enough, we didn't learn candlestick formations, but what is the market telling you that is going to do most likely? Exactly, whatever you do on the smaller time frame, what is the market telling you? Well, you have the butterfly, right? But maybe it's not big enough. Boss, what's the that's the butterfly or the bat. See, those are the elemental traders telling you to short the market, but the take profit, it's almost here, so. Nah, I'm just joking with you, come on. Don't be shy, everybody, this is how we learn, right? If you perceive that you made a mistake, and I did a lot back in time, if you understand that, alright, I'm shorting the market on the 4-hour chart, but now I can see that I'm going against the short-term trend on the daily, and the higher time frame controls price action and movement on the smaller time frame, not being right or wrong, but me shorting the market, this is a exactly, it's a low probability trade. Again, listen to the question. Does this make sense to you? Type in the chat, yes it makes sense, or type in the chat, no it doesn't. Boss, can you repeat please? Whatever you do on the smaller time frame, in this case GBP, JPY 4-hour chart, when you go on the higher time frame, which from the 4-hour it's the daily, if you're on the 15-minute chart it's the 1-hour chart, and you understand from based on what you see that you are going against the short-term trend, and if you understand that this makes your trade risky, meaning low probability, pat yourself on the back and close the trade. And here is my question to you. Does this make sense? Does this make sense? Now, if you want to be a skilled retracement trader, right? And some people are, not me, some people are, then you need to get skilled on, alright, how I'm going to understand that it's now time to short the market. And we've learned this, and it's called, I need to see a change in the short-term trend. Make sense, everybody? So if I go back on the 4-hour chart, right, and I am up in here, and I'm shorting the market up in here, And if I go now on the 30-minute chart, which is the relevant lower time frame to the 4-hour chart, I can clearly see objectively if I'm trading in the wrong direction or not. Make sense? If Forex is going to be that doesn't want, it's Monday, right? Forex doesn't want to work, so 15 minutes, come on, 30 minutes, 30 minutes, 30 minutes. Alright. So, everybody, talk to me. Dukascope Academy students on YouTube, talk to me. If I'm shorting right now, am I entering prematurely, yes or not? And talk to me, can you see when it's the time to short the retracement? Can you see it, everybody? The market is going to show to you. Can you see it, everybody? How the market is telling you, alright, now it's the time to short the 30-minute chart, not the 4-hour, don't mix apples with bananas. The market is showing you, but you must get skilled in the understanding what does this mean that you trade what you see. If you would trade what you see, you would short the market after this counter trend line break. If you would trade what you see, you would short market in here, because in here you would see that alright, now the market's making lower low, lower high, lower low. Blue color example. Now you have a confirmed downtrend, so now it's safe probability wise to short the market. And in the same way, on the smaller time frame, the market is going to wave and wave and wave, and in some point in time the market is going to say, whoops, we are not retracing anymore, and it's going to make a higher high, and here is the market telling you, alright, we are not in a retracement mode anymore, we are starting now an extension mode. Wow, right? And all of this has to do with you becoming a good analyst. Forex Course 101, it's all about the market. It's the learning phase, it's how this market works. And here you are learning how to lose less, not to make money. Forex Course 101. Be patient and give yourself a year to learn. Alright? If you are willing to listen to me, if you are not willing to, I mean, my life is not going to change. But you are good. No, I want to make money. It doesn't work. I want to make money. You've been trying to do this for 5 years. Wake up. Wake up, wake up, wake up. Make sense, everybody? I'm not arrogant, I'm trying to help you. Alright? This is the formula. What it says here. How to become a professional trader, meaning consistently profitable in an institutional way. How are institutional traders groomed? You know? Number one, you knock on the door. You don't need your retail, but you are modeling how we groom institutional traders. Me too. Alright? Number one, you are going to sit there and prove to me that you are a good analyst. And if you do good as a good analyst, then I'm going to promote you to be a senior analyst for another year. And if you do good, if you want, then I'm going to promote you to be what is called a portfolio manager or a trader. Alright, everybody? This is not a secret, but this is all around the world. It's exactly the same. In all financial trading institutions. I don't believe you. Good. Excellent. Go knock on some doors and check. They're going to laugh at you, but this is on you, right? I'm going to knock on the door on Dukascopio and they're going to give me 2 billion euros to trade. I wish, me too. I wish it was like this, we just knock on the door and they give us the billions and the millions and I'm the trader with the Lambo tomorrow. We're all the same, come on. I wish, for me too. But unfortunately it doesn't work like this. Everybody get your head straight and please try to understand that you are trying to show consistency not to me. Show consistency to yourself. Alright everybody? This is how this game is played. That's the formula. 1 or 2 years on a demo account. See here, demo. Back in time it was Forex. I believe it's still there, the broker. Demo account, Forex. Alright? Prove to yourself 1-2 years that you are a good analyst and that you know what you're doing. Alright? Now, you can do this starting from this year. We have another asset manager, Darwin X0, everybody. Darwin X0, sign up maybe, Darwin X0, okay. So my code is FXBoss20. You put your details here and instead of paying 95 euros, you get 75, alright? FXBoss20, it's my code. And everybody, they have another quote, it's called beat the blues, maybe? But this is from Darwin X itself, alright? It's going to give you 10 euros more. You can go with their quote, but if you go with mine, everybody, then you are welcomed for 1 month to trade with me for free, alright? FXBoss20, FXBoss20. Apply. Alright? 75 euros and then it's 38 euros per month. Okay everybody? And how does this work? We go to capital allocation. So you're going to trade the virtual account and as soon as your rating gets to 75, they are going to give you 25,000 euros live account. It's not much money, but also you are paying 38 euros, right? So there is the downside, the money that you can lose. It's 38 euros per month, alright everybody? And here you can play around, you can, okay, this month I made 1%. In the last 5 months I made, 5%, and my drawdown was the same, 5%, right? Or minus 5, calculate. Wow! See everybody? If I made 5% in 5 months, and if my drawdown was 5% too, and I made 1% this, then I'm in. They give me a 25,000 euros, they're from Europe, allocation. Okay everybody, so if you use my quote, every day you can trade with me and we can talk about and I show you the entries and everything. Okay? And you can debate with me, why stay out on EDCAD and so on and so on and so on. And we are here. In conclusion everybody, hedge fund trader Dennis, would would you, everybody, just in conclusion, what do you say? Is Dennis premature? Is Dennis premature shorting the market? Don't be shy, did this too, right? We're all the same. We're here to learn. Come on. Right, everybody? Boss, how to get skilled? You must talk specifically talking about this stuff, everybody. You must train and study relevant highs and lows. Make sense? Me and Dennis, we can falsely assume that because I have a high in here and a low in here and a high in here and a low in here, we can falsely assume, oh, I'm in a downtrend. No, I'm not. Make sense, everybody? Beginner trader stock. I mean beginner trader like 0 month experience. You are too focused on the very right now what is happening in the markets. And we've learned all of this. We had a class about stories, right? The class about stories explains to you what is what. This is a class about stories, you know. Just an example. Yeah, I'm going to show to you. Just give me an example. Alright? So, we have a class in the previous lessons about stories. This is one story, like reading a book, you know. This is another story. That's another story, another book. That's another story from another book. That's another story from another book. And that's another story from another book. See, everybody? This was an uptrend. But if you continue to trade the uptrend in here, you would lose. This story is called consolidation. Alright? And consolidation ended and moved back to uptrend. If you would trade consolidation in an uptrend, you would lose. Then the next story is called the retracement or the downtrend. If you would buy up in here in an uptrend, you would lose. And if you would buy down in here, you would win too, right? So those are stories. And not to mention that the driving force is the red one. Alright? The spatial intelligence, the understanding on what is where you, beginner trader, win or lose. And I have a good news for everybody. Your job, the first one, is just make sense to this. Make sense? Take a pen and paper and write this down. My job this year, it's not to make money. My job is to understand money as irrelevant on the demo account. And my job is just to understand if I win or lose, what happened in here. If I lost or won, why happened in here? If I lost or won, doesn't really matter, but why? I'm trying to understand how this market works. That's the formula. I lost in here, good, why? Oh, it was an uptrend. I won in here, good, why? Oh, it was consolidation. Oh, I give all back to the market. Oh, why? Because I was shorting in here, the market went out of consolidation. Good. I won here, good. I lost in here, good. Why did you lose? And it's going to take you 1 year to understand this market. And your report card is called My FX Book, everybody. my FX book. So have a demo account and link your demo account to my FX book. It's for free, it's third party service, doesn't cost you a cent. This is your report card on how well are you learning the Forex course 101. Does this make sense? And up in here it's called profitability, everybody. This is this indicator called profitability. This is rating you how good you are doing as an analyst. Alright? And for you to be a trader, you must come at the minimum to 60. Nobody's perfect, there is no 100%. Alright? And don't believe everything it's online. You can bug and enter the MyFX book and program and code. Not everything that you see online on MyFX book it's real, everybody. Alright? So be honest with yourself and address, alright, I'm going to have a demo account and I'm going to start to trade possibly on the demo account, and I'm going to monitor month after month profitability, and my job as a beginner trader is to come at least to 60. Then you can call me and tell me, boss, I'm ready to come to the money phase. Boss, I'm ready for the money phase. Not this, everybody, my bad. You don't need to be consistently profitable, but you need to be 16 here. Alright? This is the report card, exactly. Then you are ready to come to the money phase and learn the business part of trading, which is a completely different thing. You can ask Clara, she's here. Forex course Chocho has nothing to do with Forex course 101. No more trend lines and no more Fibonacci's and support resistance and no more analyzing charts. You go into business. Alright everybody, see you back tomorrow. Until tomorrow, stay strong and rewatch this lesson. Alright? As a boss. See you tomorrow. Thank you for your time. This is the